Guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and in this video, I'm going to be trying viral TikTok hacks in Adopt Me. So, let's go ahead and get our first TikTok hack. But before this video begins, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And also, follow me on both my social medias, link in the description, to win a Fly by Neon unicorn at the end of this month. You thought I was going to say at the end of this video, but it's at the end of this month. You guys are... You still have time. You still have time. So go ahead and do it right now. We're giving away a Fly by Neon unicorn. I'm going to show you guys my inventory. Right now, I don't have a Fly by Neon unicorn. In fact, I don't even have much pets because I do have another account, but I don't really plan that account that much. But most of my pets are there. So yeah. But we do have a unicorn, but it's not flying right. And my friend's giving me a Fly by Neon unicorn soon. So yeah, we're gonna bring out my snow cat. Uh-oh, it's not wearing that super cute hat I bought it. I don't have much clothes because, no offense Adopt Me, but I don't really like the clothes. I really don't. Okay, well let's look at our first hack. So yeah. Okay, here's our first hack. I really do hope it works, so let's go. Okay, go to the tree thingy and stand on the crystal. Stand exactly where I'm standing, okay? So we need to write /spawn and then write the pet we want. I'm just gonna try something simple like a dog. And then now write these numbers, 0, 9. I'm gonna write that down.
I said /dog.
Stop, that's not even what you're supposed to do.
Oh!
That hurt. Did it even hurt you? Did it even hurt you or did it hurt me?
Oh!
Okay, so I just wrote it down. Now we have to go to the vault and glitch inside. And then the pet will be waiting for you. This doesn't really sound real, but we can give it a try, so let's get into the game. Okay, I moved my screen over here because I feel like it's a lot more better over there to where you guys can see everything, you know? So, this is not a private server, it's actually a public server. So we're just gonna go ahead and fly to the neon place because that's where she was, and then she was standing on a crystal, and then she just said spawn King Bee. But I'm gonna try this, make it simple, and just maybe spawn a dog or something, because I don't want to try to spawn something super legendary and then not even get it in the end. So we're gonna spawn a dog and see if it works. I really do hope it does because I will be trying multiple pets. So, she was sitting on this crystal just stop! I'm unfriending you. You just ruined the video. Stop it, Kaysen. Unfriend. Now you can't teleport to me. And I'm not going to friend you back till this video's over. Okay, guys, so now we're going to stand on top of this crystal, and we are going to say, I have it written down. We're going to say /spawn, and then whoopsie, I didn't put slash, sorry. /spawn, and then the animal that we want. We're going to go for a dog. Oh, gosh. We're going to go for a dog. And then the 090187. And then we're going to put this, what is it called? Percentage. And then period. And then we're going to click enter. Oh, gosh. It's all hashtags. On her screen, it wasn't. Hopefully it still is going to work. Now let's go to the vault place. That's where she said we need to go next. I hope this works. So now we're going to go to the vault place. The pet shop. I was about to go into the adoption center. Okay, so we're going to get off this. Stuck at. We're gonna go over here. She said to glitch in. She used a grappling hook, but I have another way to get in. But just because she used a grappling hook, I'm also going to use one. So Okay, it's not working. It's just not working. So we're just gonna have to use my way to glitch the stuff. I always bring out like a stroller. I don't have much strollers. Like I said, you guys, I have a lot of stuff in my other account. Oh gosh. That's not gonna work. No, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna pick that up. Sorry. Let's try this again. Put my snow cap. And then, okay, now we're gonna try to. Oh gosh, why is it not working? It's like pushing me back. I think we're glitched, I guess. Oh no, not tricks. Fly. I can't really see that much. Okay, we're just gonna stop ride. What's going on? Wait, why do I have to glitch in? Can I like use the key? I might not even have that. Oh, where are we? I don't think this was supposed to happen. Okay, this is not. I'm like in the glitch world.
Real.
We're gonna go back to the like entrance and try this again. It's not letting me go back in, which is really weird. Entrance, please don't, please let me in. Okay, look, I'm not an imposter. Just let me. Oh wait, the door's on the other side. Okay, please work. We need to get in. We need to get in. Okay, I can't even go any more above this. Wow. This is not working, you guys. Kason, can you friend me?
How?
By going into like the players and then friend me so I can teleport you because I can't get back in.
Okay, 1 sec.
What if I like stop ride? Okay, okay. We gotta make sure we don't fall.
Oh, it's computer. It's mine now. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, where's my snowcat? Okay, okay, we just got a friend request from Prism X. We're gonna go ahead and teleport to him. Yay! We can get out of this creepy place. Okay, I hope he's not like, oh, he's at school. That's pretty close, I guess. We're gonna try this again because that didn't really work. And I feel like there's still a way we can do it. So we're gonna try it again. I feel like we can. Kason is Mason? No. I'm not doing him. I don't know who that is. I guess it's just one of our fans. We're gonna try this. Okay, this drill. Okay, it worked, it worked. Oh gosh.
Who's hungry, please?
I don't see my dog. Oh look, my Mega Neon dog's there though. Yay. Just kidding, you guys. But she also said something about I have so much things to do for my snowcat. She also said something about like going into the second one, and I don't know about that. But this one's a little bit more harder to glitch because it's like more round. Yeah. That's what I thought. Okay, this hack did not work. No, it was a fail. We're just gonna go ahead. Oh, my friend's in. Okay, no, we're not gonna teleport her. We're gonna teleport Jason because he's at the school. That's pretty close. I'll just go ahead and take care of my snowcat's needs. Actually, we need to go on to the next hack. You need to hurry. Yeah, let's go on to the next hack. This next hack is on how to get like a freebie. Okay, here's the next hack, and I don't really think this one's gonna work because she turned the comments off, so I don't think anybody can like comment that she got like that it didn't work and stuff like that and ruins the chance for everybody else. So she turned the comments off. But then in the end of the video, she did come out with a newborn bee. Like it would probably be like fake if she came out with like a posting bee, but she actually came out with a newborn bee. So let's try this. Go to the coffee shop, become a baby. 3 times. Beatrice. Reset. Okay, that one really does not sound real, but we can give it a try. Okay, guys, for this next hack, we have to go to the coffee shop, which isn't too far away. It's just like right there, so fine. Okay, so we're in the coffee shop right now. They said to become a baby. I wonder why. Okay. So we're gonna become a baby. No one show my avatar. Okay, we're gonna become a baby. I can also bring my actually no we're just for like you know, she didn't have out a pet, so we're not gonna have out our pet. And they said to jump here. Wait, yeah, they said to jump here. Wait, we're gonna come over here and jump here 1, 2, 3 times. Then we're gonna go over here and talk to Beatrice. Okay, seriously, this money thing's annoying me. I wish you could like make it to some way where you can't get money. And now it won't let me do it because I'm talking to Beatrice. So you guys can't see what she's saying. Okay, there we go. So I just talked to Beatrice. Now she said to reset. So we're gonna go and reset our character. And then they said become an adult. She became an adult again, and then she just got a B. Just like that. I got a B. Yay. No, just kidding. That's Beatrice. My B. My own B. Okay, guys. That hack didn't work either. Last hack. I hope this works. Because it would be nice if, like, maybe one hack worked, don't you think? Okay, guys, so this took me a while to find because I really wanted to find one that would work. And I read this in the comments, and it said it worked. But whenever I tried to, like, put it on my computer that I play on, it didn't work. So, you guys, I can't show you, but I will be able to, like, do the hack. But I won't be able to, like, show you guys the person doing the hack. So, first, this involves the neon place again. Oops, not my G name. This involves the neon place again. I hope it works. I really do hope it works. So in this hack, we're trying to get a full-grown fly and ride penguin, which really doesn't sound like it's going to work, but you guys, I really do hope it works. So we're going to be getting a free full-grown fly and ride penguin. So it works. So they said to go up to Nixie, talk to her. Just gonna wait.
Find me here.
Okay, you guys, so now, after we're done talking to Nixie, they said to stand on the middle circle, jump 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, become a baby, say /spawn, and then the pet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, period. This one sounds pretty weird, but let's do it. So hashtags again. Then they said to reset. Okay, so we just resetted. Now, you guys, it's time to check if we have fly and ride penguin in our inventory. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, it worked. We have a full-grown fly and ride pet in there. And you guys, before I could, okay, you know, that part's a mess up because it's named the moment of truth, you guys. It worked! Oh my gosh! I have a fly and ride penguin, and it's full grown. I have 2 penguins now. So you guys, this is insane. And look, to even prove it to you guys, it's full grown, first of all. It's full grown, and its name is Penguin. Like, if it was named something else, like maybe like Waddles or something like that, and it wasn't full grown, like it was Junior, then that's definitely like a prank. It's like not true. But you guys, oh my,